So with this powerful tool with WhatsApp, it will allow for certain people that don't have any ethics to spam clients. And that's what WhatsApp is trying to mitigate, that we don't spam clients. Because else what will happen? WhatsApp will turn into SMS and it will turn into Facebook Messenger, where everyone is used to getting spam. And the quality of the product won't be the same. So that's why this is here. My opinion, I like it that way, because imagine you on WhatsApp getting spammed by people constantly with stuff. You'll stop using it. So that's the reason why this is here. Now, if this client sends a message right away to you, it opens the conversation completely free, no issues at all. But as a business, and we need to send this client something, we need to send a message template, which we can, we don't have to do this now. We can, if you want to, Dylan, do it at a later stage, add message templates and connect a card to be able to send pre-approved templates. Indeed, you want to do that, which I would really recommend. It's really